Hi students, welcome to JEE MAINS question paper discussion, mathematics subject, day 23 and shift 1. Now the first question is based on continuity. Now the question is, if f of x is continuous at x equal to 0, where f of x equals to, now coming to the left hand side, that is 2 by x times of sine of k plus k1 plus 1 into x plus sine of k2 plus 1 into x is like that. And anyway they given that it is continuous. Keep this one in mind. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to the value of the function. Now move on to the left hand limit. Limit extends to 0 minus. Then it is what? It is in the form of sine of kx by x, which is nothing but k. So that I can write directly. This is what? Coming to the left hand limit. This is k1 plus 1 into 2 plus and 2 into k2 plus 1, and which is equal to functional value, and here it is 2 times of k2 minus k1, because of it is in the form of log of ax plus b by x, which is nothing but a. Right. So you can equate both sides, then you can cancel with 2. Then k1 plus k2 plus 2 equal to 2. And k2 minus k1 equal to 2. Now here 2 gets cancelled, k1 plus k2 equal to 0, k2 equal to minus k1. You can substitute k2 here, minus 2k1 equal to 2. 2 gets cancelled, k1 equal to minus 1. In case of k1 equal to minus 1, you can substitute here k2 equal to 1. So we want k1 square plus k2 square, that is 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Now move on to the next question, that is from sequence and series. The question is, if for an AP, if first term is A, that is equal to 3, they given A equal to 3. Sum of first 4 terms, for suppose it is from 8 terms. This is what we can say, that sum of first 4 terms, which is equal to 1/5 of the sum of the next 4 terms. This is what sum of next 4 terms. So we can say that this is what S8. If you want only this sum of the next 4 terms, then S8 is, we can say that S8 minus S4. So sum of the first 4 terms is 1/5 of sum of the next 4 terms they mentioned. So that is 5 times of S4 equal to S8 minus S4, and it is 6 S4 equal to S8. 6 into, now again sum of n terms formula, n by 2 2a, that is a they given is 3, 3d, that is equal to 8 by 2 into 6 plus 7d. Right. Then again 2 1s are 2 4s gets cancelled, and 4 4 gets cancelled, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So clearly it is what? 18 plus 9d equal to 6 plus 7d. 2d equal to minus 12, then d equal to what? Minus 6 will get. Finally what we want is S20. S20 equal to 20 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 19 times of minus 6, that is 10 into 6 minus 19 6 are 114, that is 114 minus 6, that is 108, that is minus 108. So finally the answer is minus 1080. Next question we are going to discuss is from definite integration, areas under the curves. Now the question is, find the area bounded between two curves, x square plus y square equal to 25 and y equal to modulus of x minus 1. So suppose x square plus y square equal to 25. We know that it is a circle, right? And y equal to modulus of x minus 1. So it will be like this. Right. Now we need to find the area bounded between these curves, so that we need to find this area, right? And this here, the curve here, it will intersect at this point and this point. Now this point of intersection we can say that minus 3 comma 0, and this point of intersection is nothing but 4 comma 0, because of it is y equal to x minus 1 and it is y equal to minus of x minus 1, and this is the upper part of the circle, semicircle. So that is x square plus y square equal to 25. We can say that y equal to root over 25 minus x square. Now, and anyway, this is what minus 5 comma 0 and this is what 5 comma 0. Now here from above completely we have to find the area above the x-axis, so that it will be semicircle, and then we have to remove 4 areas here. This is the first area we have to eliminate, and this is the second area, and the third and fourth. Now this area, for suppose if I say that A1, A2 and A3, finally A4. So 4 areas we have to remove. Okay, before going to that, what is the area of this circle is pi r square. Now r square is 25, pi 25, that is the area of this circle, and above only upper part, that is semicircle. Now coming to this, area of the semicircle is 25 pi by 2. Now move on to the 1 by 1 area. So that upper part is like y equal to root over 25 minus x square. Now what about integration of root over 25 minus x square is nothing but x by 2 root over 25 minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. Sorry, x by a. Right. Now the first part is a1, which is area from minus 5 to 3. Now I can substitute the boundaries from minus 5 to 3, minus 5, minus 3. Now in this, the upper boundary, if you substitute minus 3, then it will be minus 3 by 2 root over 25 minus 9, that is 6. You can write 4 plus 25 by 2 sine inverse of minus 3 by 5. Okay, and coming to the lower boundary, minus 5 if you substitute, this part will become 0, and sine, in place of x if you substitute minus 5, then it will become minus 1, sine inverse of minus 1 is pi by 2. So that is clearly, it is what, minus 25 by 2 pi by 2 you will get. So this is what, 2 1s are 2 2s are, clearly minus 6 minus 25 by 2 sine inverse of 3 by 5 plus 25 pi by 4. This is what a1. And move on to a4. To find a4, the boundaries are from 4 to 5. Now coming to the upper boundary, if you substitute here 5, that's the first part will become 0, and move on to the second part, sine inverse of 5 by 5 1 pi by 2. So this is what 25 by 2 into pi by 2 will get. And coming to the lower boundary, if you substitute 4 by 2 is 2, 25 minus 16 is 9, root 9 is what, 3 will get, and again plus 25 by 2 sine inverse of 3 by 5, sorry, sine inverse of 4 by 5. Right, this is what 25 pi by 4 minus 6 minus 25 by 2 sine inverse of 4 by 5. Now the thing is, a1 plus a4, if you add a1 plus a4, minus 6 minus 6 minus 12, this is what, minus 25 by 2 sine inverse of 3 by 5 minus 25 by 2 sine inverse of 4 by 5. Now you can take minus 25 by 2 common, sine inverse of 3 by 5 plus sine inverse of 4 by 5, which is nothing but cos inverse of 3 by 5, this is nothing but pi by 2, and 25 by 4 plus 25 by 4, that is 25 pi by 2. Next, this is what, minus 12, 25 pi by 2 minus 25 pi by 4, then it will become 25 pi by 4. Okay, now move on to the A2 and A3, that is right angle triangles. Now here, this point I can say that 1 comma 0, in between them the distance is 4, and this is also nothing but 4, like minus 3 comma 4, and this length is 4 and this length is 4. That in that right angle triangle, A2 is half into base into height, half into base into height, 4 into 4, 16, that is A2 is 8, and move on to A3. Now this point of intersection we can say that 4 comma 3, so that this height is 3 and in between the distance is 3, so half into base into height, 3 3s are 9, and it is what, 9 by 2, half into 3 into 3, that is what, 9 by 2. Now we can add all these areas and it have to subtract from the main area. Finally you can say that that main area is what, 25 by 2 minus of all these areas you have to subtract, minus 12 plus 25 by 4 plus 8 plus 9 by 2, right? So that A equal to 25 pi by 2 plus 25 pi by 4, this one if you subtract, then you will get 25 pi by 4, this is plus 12 minus 8 minus 9 by 2. Okay, then 12 minus 8 is 4, it is 25 pi by 4, this is what, 4, 8 minus 1 by 2. So clearly that is 25 pi by 4 minus 1 by 2. Our next question is from permutations and combination. The question is, the total number of ways the word daughter can be arranged so that the vowels does not occur together. Right. So this question we can solve by using, that is total minus does not occur together, do not come together, that is total minus come together, we can solve. Total is 8 daughter. Now we can, if you come to the come together concept, vowels come together. How many vowels are there? A, U, E. 3 vowels come together. 3 vowels is a single unit, and remaining 5 consonants are there. Total 6 letters. That 6 letters can be arranged in 6 factorial ways, and the 3 vowels internally can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. So that is what, 8 factorial, 8 into 7 into 6 factorial minus 6 factorial into 6. Then if I take in 6 factorial common, 8 7s are, so 56 minus 6. 6 factorial is nothing but 720 into 50, that is what, 36,000. Coming to the next question, which is from quadratic equation. The question is, if the equation a times of b minus c into x square plus b times of c minus a into x plus c times of a minus b into equal to 0 as equal roots. Now if you observe this equation clearly, right, now sum of all the coefficients a into b minus c plus b into c minus a plus c into a minus b, the sum is equal to 0. If a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then roots are 1 comma c by a. So that according to this, for the given question, the roots are 1 and c by a. Right. And they given that as roots, equal roots, that is both roots are equal. Now AB minus AC equal to AC minus BC. Now here B value they given, A plus C value also they given, so that we can bring this BC left side. A is equal to 2AC, right? B times of A plus C equal to 2AC, right? A plus C value 5 and B value 16 by 5. 16 by 5 into 5 equal to 2AC. Then 2AC equal to 16. Then AC equals to what? 8. Then we want A square plus C square. Now from this given data, A plus C is equals to 5, right? Now squaring on both sides, a square plus c square plus 2ac equal to 25. Then a square plus c square, 25 minus 2ac is 16. Then the answer is 9. The next question what we are going to discuss is from integration. It's a standard question only. if I of x equals to integration of dx by x minus 11 whole power 11 by 13 into x plus 15 whole power 15 by 13, so that I can write this I of x as integration of 1 by that x minus 11 whole square dx by that I can say that it is x minus 11 whole power minus 15 by 13 and x plus 15 whole power 15 by 13. So that integration of this is what dx by x minus 11 whole square divided by this is what x plus 15 by x minus 11 whole power 15 by 13. So you can say that x plus 15 by x minus 11 equal to t. Now the differentiation of ax plus b by cx plus d is ad minus bc by cx plus d whole square. So that it is ad minus bc minus 26 by x minus 11 whole square dx equals to dt if we do the differentiation. So that dx by x minus 11 whole square equal to dt by minus 26. So that it is minus 1 by 26 dt by t power 15 by 13. Now if we do the integration minus 1 by 26 t power minus 15 by 13 plus 1 by minus 15 by 13 plus 1. Right. Now it is what minus 1 by 26 into 13 by minus 2 into 1 by t power 2 by 13 plus c. Now it is what 1 by 4 into 1 by that is what finality is x plus 15 by x minus 11 whole power 2 by 13 plus c. This is what we can say that I of x. Now from this we need to solve I of 37 minus I of 24. I of 37 that is 1 by 4 into 1 by 37 plus 15 52 by 37 minus 11 that is what 26 whole power 2 by 13 plus c. That is what 26 1s are 26 2s are. So that I 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 power 1 by 13 plus c. Then what about I of 24 that is 1 by 4 into 1 by 24 plus 15 39 by 24 minus 11 13 whole power 2 by 13 plus c. So that it is 1 by 4 into 13 1s are 13 3s are 3 square is 9 1 by 9 power 1 by 13 plus c. If you subtract these two, this c will get anyway cancel. 1 by 4 1 by 4 is there, 1 by 4 is common. 1 by b power 1 by 13 minus c power 1 by 13. Here clearly what is b is 4 and c is 9. What we want to find is 3 times of b plus c. 3 times of b plus c. 3 times of 4 plus 9 13 3s are 39. Is the okay, next question is from straight lines. The question is area of the triangle with vertices p 5 comma 4 q minus 2 comma 4. Here y coordinates are same and r is a comma b, right? Now just like to draw this type of triangle, or maybe it will be this r is the point which will be lies downside also, and this is what minus 2 comma 4 and this is what 5 comma 4. Okay, and they mentioned what is the area of triangle is 35 square units. Okay, fine. And what is the orthocenter they are given is 2 comma 14 by 5. So for suppose orthocenter which is nothing but all its concurrents. Now this orthocenter what they mentioned is 2 comma 14 by 5. Okay, now if it is 2 comma 14 by 5 and anyway this is a horizontal line, so that clearly it will be the vertical line, right? In case of this is the vertical line. Now x coordinate what we can say that a is nothing but 2 and this is what b. Now this total length from here to here is b and anyway this is what 4, so that remaining length is nothing but b minus 4. Anyway you don't know a comma b will be in the downside also, here also, so that I can say that it is modulus of b minus 4 because of the distance is always positive. Now coming to this area of triangle, half into base, the distance between these two, minus 2 comma 4 and 5 comma 4, that is 7 in times of minus b minus 4, modulus of b minus 4 equal to what they given, 35. 7 ones are 7 5s are, modulus of b minus 4 equal to 10, b minus 4 equal to plus 10, b minus 4 equal to minus 10, then b equal to 14, b equal to minus 6 also. Okay, right, then there will be two values for b. Then the vertices here is 2 comma 14 for suppose, minus 2 comma 4 and 5 comma 4. If you take these three vertices, then the centroid is 5 by 3 comma 14 plus 8, 22 by 3. Now what we want, centroid is c comma d, c plus 2d by 3. And this is c plus 2d whole divided by 3. Okay, yeah, centroid c 5 by 3, 22 by 3. There is no values will get cancelled. 22, 27 by 3, 27 by 3 by 3. So 27 by 3 by 3, 27 by 9, the answer is 3. For suppose if b is minus 6, 2 comma minus 6, minus 2 comma 4 and 5 comma 4, then the centroid c is equal to 5 by 3, like it is 2 by 3, then we can find c plus 2d by 3, 7 by c 5 by 3 plus 4 by 3, 9 by 3, 9 by 9. Yeah, 5 by 3 plus 4 by 3, 9 by 3, 9 by 3 is what, 3, 3 by 3. Sorry, they want c plus 2d only. In this case also the answer is 3. Anyway, centroid answer is 3. Coming to the next question, that is from functions. You need to find the domain of the composite function, that is f of g of x. Now coming to this, f of g of x is this and f of x is log x, so that we can say that log of that whole thing. Now anyway, coming to the domain of this logarithmic function, we know that log of f of x exists only when f of x is greater than 0. So that x power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 2 divided by 2x square minus 2x plus 1 always is where it will be greater than 0, we need to find. Now coming to this, coming to the denominator, is a quadratic equation 2x square minus 2x plus 1. If you observe this, it will be positive for every situation. This belongs to R for this, because of here the discriminant is b square minus 4ac, 4 minus 8, that is discriminant is less than 0. In case of discriminant is less than 0, the curve completely lies on the above the x-axis. If the curve completely lies above the x-axis, always y value is 0. So that this is always positive for every real number. Now coming to the numerator x power 4, that is, then you can take x power 4 plus 3x square plus 2, and the remaining you can take 2x common, that is x square plus 1 greater than 0. Now this is what, x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 minus 2x times of x square plus 1 greater than 0. Now x square plus 1 if we take common, that is x square minus 2x plus 2 greater than 0. So that x square plus 1 always positive, and this is x minus 1 whole square plus 1 greater than 0. This is always positive and this is always positive. So that the domain of this function is x belongs to R. The next question is from matrices and determinants. It's a very easy question and it's a very regular question. Now the question is for the system of linear equations having infinite solutions. Now coming to this infinite solutions, we know that det value always equal to 0 and it is a homogeneous So that is lambda minus 4, lambda minus 2, lambda 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 6. Then that value is always equal to 0, right? Now in case of that value equal to 0, lambda minus 4 into 18 minus 10, it is 8, minus lambda minus 2 into 12 minus 5, 7, plus lambda into 4 minus 3, 1 equal to 0. This is what 8 lambda minus 32 minus 7 lambda plus 14 plus lambda equal to 0. 8 lambda minus 7 lambda minus this was 2 lambda minus 32 is like minus 18 equal to 0. Then lambda equal to 9. What we need to find is lambda square plus lambda. 81 plus 9, that is what? 90. The next question is from relations. The question is, a relation defined on set capital A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then how many ordered pairs or minimum ordered pairs maybe are equal to 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 3. The number of minimum order pairs we have to add so that it will becomes equivalence relation. So now coming to this, if it is an equivalence relation and capital A, what is given is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we want 1, 1, 2, 2 and 4, 4 should be there because of 3, 3 already there. So already 3, and here it is 1, 2, right? Now it is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, it is reflexive. Now coming to the symmetric, 1, 2 is there, we want 2, 1, 2, 3 is there, we want 3, 2, and one more thing is coming to this 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, it's fine. Now move on to 1, 2 and 2, 3 is there, so that it is 1, 3. It is 1, 3. 1, 3 is there, so we want 3, 1. Right? 1, 3, 3, 1. 3, 1. Yeah, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 2. That is 1, 2 is already there. So total here 4 plus 3. Total number of ordered pairs we have to add is 7. The next question is the range of A for which 5x cube minus 15x minus A equal to 0 has 3 distinct solutions is alpha comma beta, then beta minus 2 alpha is equals to. Now this is a cubic equation, and that cubic equation having 3 distinct solutions they given. Right. In case of this having 3 distinct solutions, then I can write like this: 1, 2 and 3. Now here, if you draw a tangent here and there, now this is what I can say that 5x cube minus 15x minus A. 5x cube minus 15x minus A occur, and if it is f of x, then f dash of x equals to 15x square minus 15. Then where if you draw the tangent, then I can say that f dash of x equal to 0 and here and there. Then f dash of x equal to 0 means here we will get x equal to plus or minus 1. Now in case of it is minus 1 and in case of it is plus 1. Now if you observe that clearly, f of minus 1 into f of 1 clearly less than 0. F of minus 1 is above the x-axis and f of 1 below the x-axis. This is what positive and negative, this is like negative. Now coming to the f of minus 1, then we can say that it is minus 5 plus 15 minus A into f of 1, 5 minus 15 minus A less than 0. Then it is 10 minus A into minus 10 minus A less than 0. If you multiply with I can take a minus common here and you can take minus common here. This is what A minus 10 and this is A plus 10 less than 0. So clearly A which belongs to minus 10 comma 10, which is nothing but alpha beta. We want to find beta minus 2 alpha. 10 plus 20, that is equal to 30. And the next question is from complex numbers, that is modulus of z by z plus I equal to 2 represents a circle. Then if I consider that z equal to x plus iy, that is for the numerator, that is root over x square plus y square. Coming to the denominator, that is x square plus y plus 1 whole square equals to 2. then squaring on both sides, x square plus y square equal to 4 times of x square plus y plus 1 whole square, so that it is 4x square plus 4y square plus 8y plus 4 minus x square minus y square equal to 0, 3x square plus 3y square plus 8y plus 4 equal to 0 finally, and you can divide with 3, then it is x square plus y square plus 8 by 3y plus 4 by 3 equal to 0. Now coming to the center, this is 0 comma minus 4 by 3, right. Now center is 0 comma minus 4 by 3, and the value d what is given is 1 comma 5. We need to find the distance CD, that is root over 1 plus 5 plus 4 by 3 whole square, so that it is root over 1 plus 15 plus 4 19 by 3 whole square, right. In case of it is root over 1 plus 19 square 361, 9 plus 361 by 9, that is what we can say, that root over 370 by 3.